Starting today's video, I slammed my Subaru, guys. I lowered my Subaru very, very low to the point where I honestly rub everywhere. Whether it's the front, whether it's the rear, guys. I lowered the car way too much. Pretty much considered it a slammed Subaru. Check this out. The front is not as low as it could go. I parked out in the street because I cannot even get in my driveway. And you guys know I park like right there. Honestly, I have to raise it because I can't drive anywhere. I can feel rubber on the inside of my fender. That way I know I'm definitely hitting the wheels. I'm starting to get those marks. With that being said, we need to somehow get my car in my garage, and I need to adjust the coilovers up so then the car is not slammed anymore. Basically, look how low this is. I am pretty much tucking. Sorry guys, it definitely rained and it was some nasty dirty rain, but for now, as you can see, I am tucked half of the tire. You can see how wide the tire is, you know, so I'm tucked half of it right here. And honestly, I should raise it up so that full tire is exposed. Instead of slamming the car, I just want to lower it, killing all wheel space. Basically, I do not know how I'm going to get the car in the driveway. I backed it out once. I parked there last night, and that is where we were at. I think the best way is to go wide and come straight at it. I know how crazy that sounds, but this is what we have to do. I'm gonna set the camera down. You can pretty much see what I'm gonna have to go through to get the car in the driveway. Oh my gosh. Okay, here is a good example on why I cannot get in my driveway. Look at this. I am literally slammed on the ground. I cannot get in whatsoever. Look at this. I'm gonna have to back up. Hold on, I might have an idea. That took a lot of skill, I'm not gonna lie. I tried my hardest not to scrape, but I might have just a little bit. Guys, the car is absolutely way too low, especially for my location. With being in Utah, there's a lot of hills, potholes, with the winter being very, very brutal on the roads and on the cars. I'm definitely gonna have to raise it. As much as I wanna stay this low, I really do, just because it looks so good. But unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to be this low until bags. If I were to ever bag the car, I could definitely go even lower, especially in the front end. All right, maybe not. Enjoy the lowness while it lasts, because it's not gonna be as low after today, but you know what? It's all right. You gotta do what you gotta do for the daily, right? As soon as we do get another car on the channel, it's definitely not gonna be any sort of wide body, because we would go full power build on that rather than a cosmetic dope vibe. I don't know, it's my daily, so I don't wanna blow it up. Y'all know how Subarus are, no cap. All right, let's attempt to get this car in the damn driveway so we can start working on it. Bless your soul, Subi, bless your soul. The rear of the car is currently jacked up, as you can see right here. Boom, boom, boom. We're about to take off the wheels, adjust the coilovers, and let's get her set up. I believe I'm gonna raise it about... I forgot to measure, guys. I've done this so many times that I just know how to do it really fast, and sometimes I forget the steps. Basically, I did look at it earlier. I'm gonna raise it about an inch. That's how much we're tucked. I'm gonna raise it about an inch on both sides. All right, let's do this. I'm gonna shut my trunk. I actually was listening to music through my car, but my subs were bumping so loud, it was kind of hard to listen to the music. So I got my little speaker over here. As you can see right here, this is my little boy that I always be using right here. Let's actually pick a nice little 6 song. Oh my gosh. Let's go, boys. This is how I work hard. Gas pack 3000, let's go. Cop the drip, drippinmods.com, let's go. Oh my God, the green goes so hard, I know. Check out the back. I don't really care if you cry. So wish you would realize. All my friends are dead. I just raised the car up a full inch. Let's go test drive it and see if I catch any rubbing in the rear, and I'll focus on listening to the front just to kind of see where we're rubbing, and if we aren't, then we're gonna be good, and then if we are, we can adjust it from there. Make sure I don't run over my camera. Got my camera right here. Oh, there's my phone. That's okay. We'll be back.
Let me try and open it.
All right, I did some. No, because now we're gonna have to wait for the noise. Don't open.
Okay, go.
Sophie Sanchez.
All right, go.
Stop holding the camera like that.
Sorry.
Like, you gotta be like in it, you know. This is for the boys though. This is for the boys. All right, where's the stash at? I didn't know we got buys. Yeah, I'm actually honestly confused why you're getting a buy out of it. Like, what do you mean?
Because they're not in the house. Aren't they in here?
A buy?
Yes, Dad.
Like the drink.
Yeah, Dad bought a big case from Costco.
No way.
Yeah, he did.
Well, we need to find that.
I know. Is it not in the house?
No, you're tripping, bro. Like the coconut ones?
Yeah.
That's our shit, bro.
I know.
I took my car on the block and stuff, figured out all the adjustments that I needed to make sure that the car was sitting right and not rubbing, guys. It is sitting perfect now. I have the max low I can go without the rubbing. So with that being said, I know it's gonna rain tomorrow, but we need to wash the car. It is so dirty. I cannot even believe last night the rain was like 3/4 mud. If you take a look, you guys kind of just seen it previously in the video. So dirty. So I'm gonna go clean it for the first time, drop off some packages, and then we're gonna head to a homie's house. I haven't kicked it with my homie Connor for a fat minute, so I'm gonna head over there. We're just gonna, oh wait, yeah, he got a shirt too. I'm gonna drop him off his shirt, and then we're gonna just kind of kick it for a bit and do some stuff. I'll probably just film when I get there. He hasn't seen the car yet, so I told him I have a surprise for him, and I'm gonna pull up in a wide body Subi, so let's go. All right, also, it's my lug nut key.
Oh my gosh, River.
I know, that's kind of dope, huh? This is the first time we are driving the Widebody WRX, and oh my gosh, I feel amazing. Yo, let's go. Yo, I'm on a highway right now. We are cruising at about 60 miles an hour. Super lit. Oh my gosh, I just enjoy driving my car so much. This is amazing. First time driving the Widebody Subaru WRX. Holy oh my, mind is blown. Mind is blown. I can see a clip of the wing and a clip of the top of the body kit, and oh my gosh, best visuals ever. And not only that, I know that when people see me driving and they break their neck, I've seen people already break their neck, and it's been about 5 minutes on the road. I just dropped Sophie off, so when I see people break their neck, I'm just like, oh my gosh, I already know what they be looking at, and it's because my car thick. We finally accomplished the thick Subi, and oh my gosh, thanks to, whoa, chill, oh my god. Thanks to everybody's help, thanks to everybody's input, thanks for all you guys' support and views and likes and comments. Thank you for the support on the merch. Oh my gosh, you guys are amazing, like so amazing. Oh yeah, I ended up taking my mom off of my neck. I put her on her own chain, and that is because I want to keep her in my car around my mirror, such as so, to where she is with me every time I drive. And not only that, she's gonna protect me, because we cannot crash this car. This is the move. So, oh man. All right, can we get inside on camera? Let's hit the car wash. I'm in front of Leighton Vasa, and I forgot to torque my wheels down, so they just came really loose, and I can hear my wheels wobbling, but my torque wrench is at my house.
So we need to go pick it up?
So if you could swoop me, and then we'll go to my house, and then come back, and then we'll go to your house. Like, it will just be kind of straight line up Antelope and back. Because I'm right in front of Leighton Vasa. Okay, bet. Thank you, bro. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I forgot to torque them down, dog. Like, who does that? But,
So
yeah,
they didn't come off.
no, I can hear them wobbling. They're like, I'm like, oh, and I just instantly knew what it was. But I know, huh? It was kind of wild, but I'm glad I pulled over before I lost my wheels. I would have been done for, bro. Guys, I forgot to torque down my wheels. What am I doing? What am I doing? It's because I was so hyped on getting the wide body. That was close. I'm gonna scoot over just a little bit more. I can't, dude. I can't. hazards. I was so excited to get the wide body kit done that I didn't even think to torque my wheels. Oh my gosh, that is so embarrassing, but I just have to tell you guys because that's just how it is. I was literally just talking about this too. Dude, I can't put my hazards on. That's embarrassing as f. Blinker. Okay, and now we wait. Hey bro, where you at?
I don't give a fuck, I'm up, I crashed my Lambo triple times.
Is this you right here? Oh, okay, honestly, you could probably just stay right there and I could probably just run. All right, fuck, let's do this. Damn, mom, chill. Oh! Bro, you like that?
Thick, bro.
But looks thick, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. All right, hold on.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Sick, huh? All right, oh my gosh, this is kind of embarrassing. Nobody look. Okay, bro. Wheels in person before.
Yeah. Before you put that on?
Yeah, dude, they stuck out so far.
Yeah, that tool's crazy too.
Yeah, I know, huh?
It's your car.
It looks like a whole new car, dude. Oh my gosh, this needed to be clean. It looks fresh now, though. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, guys. Woo! The car is absolutely beautiful. The paint match is so good. Perfectly right on, looks amazing, guys. The car looks on another level when it's clean. So my plan is to actually head out to my detailer down in Salt Lake and have him do like a full cut buff and, like we were saying before, possibly ceramic coat. Other than that, boys, I'm so happy, so satisfied with how it turned out. This is amazing, bro. This is amazing. All right, I'm hungry. Of course, I'm always hungry. Hungry again, let's go cop some food real fast and then we about to go to Connor's house and do some work. Yo, this coronavirus got me going through a drive-thru and I'm not used to this and I'm tripping. This is scary. What the oh my gosh, my wheels. I'm scared. Oh, we're making it. All right, we made it. All right, let's pull up. Hello? Yo, she asked me if I wanted to upgrade to a large for 20 cents. I said yes. Of course. Bad for you, but gas. I'm definitely not used to being low again. All right, we are off. Let's go. Just so you guys know, it is currently raining. I figured I would just, you know, show you guys a little update for today's weather. It is totally okay because the last rainstorm was straight mud coming out of the sky. Not chill, not the move. First time driving the wide body has been a total success. I don't care if I clean my car and it rains. I don't even care. Success. What? This is a lot of sody. I don't really drink that much sody. Also, haven't been really doing pulls. Yo, there's a Subaru over there. Yo, my homie Tony customized some Air Force Ones, and I really want them. What you doing Friday? Let's kick it and film. You guys down? You guys want to kick it with Tony? That'd be sick. Forgot what I'm doing Friday. What am I doing Friday? That always happens. I need to start writing stuff down for real. Oh my gosh, boys! My car is wide body! Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. I wish I could show you third-person view of it, of the car driving like a roller or something, but I do not have the capability of doing that at this time, which is totally fine because honestly, this already looks so amazing. I cannot believe how the car handles, and like I've told you guys before, with the wider wheels, a lot more tread. Oh, we need to turn right here. A lot more tread on the ground, and that is allowing me to have so much more traction. I can just feel it in the handling of the car. Hold on, we need to do this. Oh, I missed third. That's embarrassing. I am cutting that out. Why is everybody breaking their necks? Why y'all breaking your necks? Yeah, I see you. Don't look. I'm just kidding. Look, please. Feeling better? turning into the place where we ship shirts. Let's ship them to some homies. There's the police. Woo! Boys out here spitting rhymes, brother. Brothers? Oh my gosh, bro. All right, okay, I don't know if I like being wide, bro. Cause now I'm kind of tripping on. Ooh, we looking good though. We looking good though. All right, first time driving the body kit. This today was an amazing video, and I cannot wait to make more content for y'all tomorrow. All right, gang, peace out. Love you, ma.